What's going on, everybody? Got the Raging Rob here. This is another food review. This is Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. It's fucking cold out today. I'm in Iowa. I'm in fucking Iowa. Home of Fed Smoker. I just went to Council Bluffs. Yesterday I was in Colorado, right? These are mini pretzels I bought at the vending machine here. It says non-GMO verified low fat right there. Non-GMO. No GMO. Sort of like the state of Vermont. They outlawed GMO. Or they made a law saying they had to put GMO products has got to put a label on their food. Or whatever. Vermont. They passed a state law. Anyway, these are non-GMO Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels. These are pretty fucking good. I'm not saying that junk food's good, but it's got 0 grams of saturated fat. These are pretty damn good. Even my triple chins would agree. You agree, triple chins? Yeah, they say they agree. America's Pretzel Bakery since 1909. 1909. Here's something I don't get. Why do they say 09? Or why do they say O? O is not a number. 0 is a number. When people are reading numbers at the grocery store, well, that one's 409. That's for sale. It's 409 a box. No, you dumb bitch. It's 409. O is in the alphabet. Not in numerals. Okay. You don't say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, P. No. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, L, M, N, 0, P. You see that? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, 0, P. You don't say that. You say O. Oh. I didn't know that. Oh, you do now. 0. Anyway. America's Pretzel Bakery since 1909, not 1909. These are Snyder's of Hanover mini pretzels, non-GMO. And this has been Raging Rob, and I support this message. Raging Rob with another food review.